Minerals are essential components of our transition to clean energy and a green economy, whilst providing economic development for many low-income countries. Even today, the sourcing of minerals remains associated with a wide range of environmental and social challenges, including habitat destruction, land displacement, child labor, and conflicts. The global demand is expected to quadruple by 2040, and even grow by 42-fold in the case of lithium. So, how do we manage this in a sustainable way? To foster the implementation of responsible practices across mineral value chains, the EU-funded Resourcing Project has established an international multi-stakeholder platform addressing industry, policy, science, and civil society. Following consultations with stakeholders in Africa, Latin America, and China, we have outlined a globally agreed understanding and agenda for responsible sourcing. We have also developed visions and roadmaps for 3 sectors where minerals play a key role: renewable energy, mobility, and electronics. Our project proposes a rights-based approach to responsible sourcing. First, we acknowledge the power imbalances amongst stakeholders within mineral supply chains. Second, we clarify the duties and responsibilities of actors with more power, companies, governments, and investors, towards safeguarding the rights of the stakeholders most impacted: communities, consumers, and workers. We identify 4 main rights dimensions. 1. Environment rights, such as biodiversity and habitat protection, freedom from land, air, and water pollution, and managing climate change. 2. Social rights, such as access to clean water, air, and healthcare, human rights, and respecting land rights. 3. Economic rights, such as sustainable growth, fair compensation for mineral and land use, and fair wages. 4. Governance rights, such as audited standards compliance, transparency, and data sharing. Our framework highlights the responsibilities of key actors in the supply chain to set in place the policies, processes, and compliance mechanisms required to satisfy these rights. Some of the required actions include meaningful engagement with communities, the reduction of carbon emissions in all operations, and the provision of respectable employment. Responsible sourcing across mineral value chains is critical to deliver a green and fair sustainability transition. We must now work together to make it a reality.